If you have been experiencing the Roblox error code 262 and want to know how to fix it, you are in the right place. Here are two ways you can fix it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So, let's dive right in. Method 1. Clear Roblox's cache files. The first solution you should try is clearing the Roblox cache files from both the browser and your desktop. To clear Roblox cache files from your browser, open the browser you use to play Roblox and click on the three dots. Go to Settings, followed by Privacy and Security. In the menu that opens, select Cookies and Other Site Data. Click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Here, search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon to clear Roblox site data from the browser. Next, clear the Roblox local app data from your computer. Press the Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Open the temp folder, then locate and delete the Roblox folder. After deleting the cache files, run Roblox with elevated permissions. Right-click the Roblox player icon on your computer and select Properties. In the Compatibility tab, check the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply. This should resolve error code 262 on Roblox. Method 2. Reinstall Roblox. Usually, this error code occurs with the specific version of Roblox that you are playing on. You can often solve this issue by deleting the app from your local device and then reinstalling it after a few minutes. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment to let us know whether the solutions worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.